what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about making your own custom splash screen for the controller. So I'm going to try my best to walk you through the steps, at least point you in the right direction to get you started and get you going. So let's dive right in. So the first thing you want to do is download an application called GIMP. GIMP can be downloaded on Windows, Mac, Linux, all the things, so get that, and we'll start working through this process. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to click on File, click on New. You're going to set your width to 128, your height to 64, make sure it's px, which is pixels. Advanced, there's nothing to change in here. Click OK. Once you do that, you will see the blank image here in front of you with your first layer, which is your background layer. What you want to do first, though, is you want to make a template. The reason you want to do this is as you make new images and new graphics, you don't want to have to remember all these steps. So click on File, click on Create Template, type in the name of your template, then click OK. And now if you hit File, New, when you see the drop down where it says Template, you will see your template. Click your template and you'll see all the properties are set. Click OK. And now we have a new project ready to go. So you have your first layer, your background layer. Click Add New Layer. You can call it text, call it whatever you want. Here I call it words. Click OK. And you can see, you can change the background color. Now, from what I understand, you only want black or white. Maybe there's other colors I do not know, but these are colors that I was trying, that I've seen it work with. So you can use the fill command. You can hit the little swapper arrow to switch to different colors. Pick your black or your plain white. And when you click the bucket on top of the image, you'll see the background changes. Hit the text. And here you can type in your text. Before you start typing, make sure you select your font and your font size. So what I recommend is setting the font to about 12 or 16, maybe even 10. Try the different fonts, find the font you like first, and then go from there. You also will see a mistake that I made. I started in black, and you'll see why in a second. You want to make sure your color is in white, not black. And you can go ahead and type in your text. You can try bold. You could try underline, do whatever you want to do, but here is where you add your graphics, your images, your text that will appear on top of that black image. So now you can see I'm changing the color to white. I click OK. Perfect. Everything is good to go. I have my white text, my black background. I hit the eyeball to make show and hide the layers, and now you can see we have a black background with the white text. I go to File, Export As. When I do that, I find my folder. I give the file a name. I recommend you go into your pictures folder, make a new folder called, T16 splash screens. Open that folder and save all your work to that one folder. Hit export and it will export the PNG file you need. And here you can see, here's my outputted splash screen image. Here's the file that I made. All right, so what you're going to do first is you want to hold Start on your controller. You want to plug it into your laptop. You'll see the web address appear on screen. Go to that address in your browser. Go to Configuration, Display Configuration. Once you get here, you will see an image at the very bottom left. Now, before you do anything, right-click that image and say Save As. Save that in the same splash screen folder and call it, Factory or Backup, whatever you want to call it. That way you have the stock image. So once you do that, click on Choose File, select your new splash screen, and you will see it appear in the box. Now you'll see the black background, the white text. If you click the inverted checkbox, that'll flip all the blacks to white and the whites to black. So you kind of get two images for one, and you can decide which one you want to be your primary. You hit Save, go up to the top right, click on Reboot, say Controller, and if you look at your controller, you will see the splash screen has now changed to the updated splash screen that you just made. You can use graphics, you can use text, you can pretty much do whatever you want that will fit inside that small graphic, and you should be good to go. I also do not want to forget to mention the Discord group is really good. Go into the Discord, the link is in the description. Join, there's a channel for splash screens, and there's folks in there that will take your images and convert them to splash screens for you, or are so willing to help. So take advantage of that Discord, and thank you everyone in the Discord for all your help along the way. So thanks for watching. Bye.